Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. Managing hundreds or even thousands of download packages can become time-consuming, especially when you need to update the same setting across all packages. That's exactly why we introduced the Default Values add-on. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use the WPDM Default Values add-on with WordPress Download Manager. Before we begin, make sure you have both WordPress Download Manager and the WPDM Default Values add-on installed and activated on your website. Now, let's get started. To access it, go to Downloads, click on Settings, then click on the Default Values tab. Here you'll find three main sections: Default Package Settings, Default Package Icons, Default Lock Options. Let's see how each one works. First, Default Package Settings. Here you can configure the default settings for all of your download packages. First is Version. Simply enter the version number, then click Update All to apply it to every package. Next is Link Label. Here you can set the default text for the download button, such as Download Now or any custom label you prefer. Once you're done, click Update All. Stock Limit. Enter the limit and click Update All to apply it. Download Limit. You can define how many times each user is allowed to download a package. Set the value, then click Update All. View Count. Set a default view count and click Update All. Similarly, set Download Count. Set default download count for every package and click Update All. If you'd like to display a custom file size, enter it in Package Size, then click Update All. Under Allow Access, select the roles you want and click Update All. For single file download, choose whether users can download individual files from multi-file packages, then update for all packages. With Link Template, you can choose the default layout for your package links. Page Template lets you select the default template for package detail pages. For lazy download, simply choose your preferred option and click Update All to apply it across all packages. If you've created any custom fields and want to apply the same value to all packages, you can do so using the Default Values add-on. Simply enter the desired value and click Update All to apply it across every package. Important: custom package data fields do not function as persistent default values. Instead, Update All performs a one-time bulk update, applying the specified value to all existing packages. Next is Package Icons. Here you can assign a single icon to all of your download packages. You can either choose one of the available package icons or provide a custom icon URL. Then click Update All to apply it across every package instantly. Finally, let's look at lock options, one of the most powerful features of this add-on. You can apply a lock as the default lock option for all of your packages. For example, if you'd like to enable the email lock for every package, simply select Email Lock. The Email Lock Settings dropdown will appear, allowing you to configure the required options. Once everything is configured, click Update All to apply the lock settings to every package. After making all your updates, don't forget to click Save Settings to store your changes. The add-on will instantly apply the new access permission to every package. Now, let's verify that the changes have been applied successfully. First, let's create a new package. You'll notice that all of the default values are automatically applied, including the version, link label, stock limit, download limit, view count, download count, access control. You'll also see that the default package icon has been applied automatically, and finally, the default lock option has been added to this package as well. You can also verify the changes by previewing a random package details page. To verify the bulk custom field value, let's open an existing package. As you can see, the custom field value have been applied successfully. Now, let's check the package icons for all of the packages. As you can see, the new icon has been applied to all of the download packages. Next, let's check the lock options. Here you can see that the email lock has been added as the default lock for all of the packages, confirming that the changes were applied successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching.